Hi, I'm Steve Ashman and welcome back to our mini video series. We've looked at three problems faced by many of the service and repair companies in the electromechanical industry. As a business grows organically, these types of issues appear threatening and stalling potential growth. If you're already using EMiR, then there is an immediate win, as all 18 modules and extensions record, store and retrieve from a single data location. By utilising EMiR extensions, you can remove the need to employ any third-party software. Extensions simply help you to process the data quickly and ensure the data never leaves EMiR. If you have engineers working around the clock and want to solve issues related to delayed and inaccurate invoicing, then the SmartSite extension could help. SmartSite is a mobile phone app that allows you to raise a job day or night in EMiR and record time, parts and expenses along with photographs of the work. The job is raised directly through the app or through the EMiR basic module in the office and is visible to the accounts and operations teams within the business when they arrive. The job is more likely to be accurate as all of the information is collected at the time the work is carried out. SmartSite takes the operator through a sequence and ensures that all stages are recorded accurately, including health and safety and equipment checklists. Importantly, by reviewing the job with the client on site, it is possible to get them to sign off the work undertaken. Then, when the invoice arrives with the same data, prompt payment is more likely. With EMiR SmartSite, all of the data is stored in one place as a single source of the truth, allowing you to have complete visibility over your business and engineers on the road, giving you peace of mind in decision making and objective setting. If you would like to know more about EMiR software and see further examples of how we help businesses just like yours, email info@solutionsinit.com or sign up for one of our free downloads on our website.